What's up guys, Tony here with HighTechCheck, and today we're going to be talking about Eltab's motorized frame for pretty much any tabletop that you're going to want. Now I'm going to be moving to a different format. This is pretty much going to be the new format. Instead of me hiding behind a camera and showing you products, I'm going to let you see me talk and kind of show you the product all at once. And I was kind of looking for a table that was tall enough for me to stand up and do my reviews. And the table that I ended up buying was from IKEA. It was this actual tabletop. I bought these legs that you could kind of adjust to a specific height that you wanted. They only go up so high. But the problem with that is the legs were very wobbly once it got to that certain height, and it just really wasn't good for doing reviews. So I happened to come across this on Amazon. I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to check it out yourself. And the good thing about this is it's very sturdy, for one, and two, you can adjust it very easily within a matter of seconds to a height that is perfect for you. You can either be standing, you can be sitting, and you can also set those specific heights with the touch of a button. And it does at least 4 presets, which is pretty nice. So if you have somebody else using your desk too, you can assign 2 to them or whatever you want. So it's pretty cool. So it's pretty much just the frame. The tabletop I had to purchase myself. Like I said, I got it at IKEA. It was only like $40, and you can use pretty much any tabletop that you want with it. All you have to do is make sure that it's within the specified ranges for the frame, and the frame itself is adjustable too, so you can adjust it kind of within a certain range to the tabletop that you want, which is really nice. So it's very simple to put together. It's not very hard. I actually put together a little video on that too. And then once you have it up, it takes seconds, to set up, to put your presets in, and you're pretty much ready to go. Now the recommended tabletop size is a length of 48 inches to 73, a width of 23.7 to 34 inches, and at least a thickness of 3/4. And it is adjustable from 27.8 inches all the way up to 48.3 inches. And it moves at about 1.3 inches a second. Now when you first pull it out of the box, the first thing you're going to notice is it's super heavy and it's super sturdy. The metal that the frame is made out of is not cheap at all, and it definitely will not bend. And you'll see later in the video how sturdy it actually is. And it does go up hot, like really high. I'm about 5'11", and this is about as tall as it gets. Now, you can probably work at this level, but it probably wouldn't be too comfortable. You probably want it to be just a little bit lower, but this is as high as it does go. And then if you wanted to go back to that, height that you had preset, the touch of the button. And there you go. So it does accommodate up to 176 pounds. Now, as you can see, I'm 170 pounds, and this is their one motor model. And it didn't have any issues, raising me up and down in the air. They also do have a dual motor setup in case you need, more weight on top of your tabletop. And you can use this pretty much for anything. It doesn't have to be for, computers. You can use it as a work desk, a workbench, anything you want. So, whether you're standing up or sitting down, this desk is pretty much going to do the height that you're going to want. So, yeah, it works really well. It's not very loud. It moves pretty quick. So, I haven't really had any complaints. Like I said, it's really sturdy enough for me to climb on top of it and take a ride, as you could see. And when you get the box, it's pretty heavy. It's about 60 pounds, so you may or may not be able to move it by yourself. It definitely is nice to have somebody to help you set it up, because again, it can get quite heavy, especially with the tabletop on it. And depending on what tabletop you get, this one's very light. It's hollow. So if you got more of a solid wood or a metal or something like that, you'd probably want a couple people to help move, because it does kind of get pretty heavy. I will also be putting a link in the description to Eltab's website. They have a whole bunch of cool things for computer setups, computer arms, motorized desks, unmotorized desks, and stuff like that for you. So go ahead and make sure you check out their website as well to see all of their items that they have. It also does run off of AC power, so just make sure you have access to some sort of wall power. So I'm curious to know, do you guys care about the new format where you can see me doing the reviews? Would you guys prefer that you just saw the product and me sitting behind the camera and doing the review? I'm interested to know what you guys think about how the new format's going to go. So again, I will be putting a link in the description for this frame in case you guys are interested in buying it yourself. And if you like me and you want to support my channel, please use that link because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.